Hello, my name's Peter Docken with Sloan Implement out of Mount Horeb, Wisconsin, and today we're going to be demoing the John Deere 569 Silage Special round baler in a crop of alfalfa hay. We're all set up and ready to go, so enjoy. I want to talk about a couple of the features of the 569 Silage Special with you quick. What we have here is the Mega Wide Plus pickup, exclusive to John Deere only. What this feature is it's a lot wider pickup, so you can get a bigger windrow up into the baler. And then this happens to be a Silage Special baler. What that means is you can bale a lot wetter hay with it. We have extra roll up top, and then we have a starter roll on a scraper on the starter roll. And then we also have an auger going across the belts to help keep those belts from sticking with wet hay.
Sloan Implement, your hometown John Deere dealer since 1931. Call, click, or visit any of our 20 Wisconsin and Illinois locations.